In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the outside rear view mirror glass on this GMC Sierra. This is going to be attached to the outside rear view mirrors. Let's get into it. Before I take the old mirror off, we're just going to put some tape on it just to prevent it from breaking, or if it's already broken, it'll just prevent some of the glass from going all over the place. We're going to take this top cover off, use a trim tool, get underneath. There's going to be some clips under here. Just pop those out. Over on the side. And then this kind of comes up a little bit. Take a straight blade screwdriver and just go right through here. There's a clip. You want to get underneath the clip. It's the back part of the mirror. And you want to just pry up. When you do that, then the mirror is going to break loose. You can also do it from over here as well. Just try to get underneath there. There we go, pop that up. What you're trying to get is underneath here, those little tabs, and that's going to pop the mirror out. And we have some connectors. I'm going to pop these connectors off. I'm just going to use a straight blade screwdriver. Just pop those off. Connector right here. Just pop that out. And we're going to disconnect the connector. Just grab it and pull, separate that. Just like that. Take the new mirror glass. If you want, you can put tape on this just to prevent it from breaking. When you're installing it, you want to connect the connector. Just line that up, push it in place, and take these connectors, line these up, push those in place, and take these spring clips, just push these in place, just where they came off. Get this lined up. And push it down in place. It's just going to clip in just like that. Now I take the cover, just slip it in place, get the top part on. Just give it a tap. It's all lined up. All right, that's good.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.